Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Sibuya gini live khonapha from Dep 3 Studios. I'm your host, Ashford Khatib. This episode is proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy. Yes, I get it right. 100% one time. Sibonge ku-Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy for keeping our lights on. Yibo abasilethela lolu hlelo namhlanje, our proud sponsors. Gents, I'm super happy today. I'm super excited. I've got Leslie Mdluli in the building. My booty.
I'm Nandi mtana.
Usiprom.
I'm Nandi yakhulu mtana.
Ngiyabona ngani uyaglow.
Uyasiwa nomnandi.
Master ina month ndiyaphila.
Yachaza yaze eglosa wini. Awona usavele uthese yini.
So kwanisa ukudraw indlu njengoba yidraw so
Ungabona sidraw iZimbabwe mtana. Sifuna iBarcelona mtana. Sifuna iBarcelona Sifuna iBarcelona.
The building, Leslie Mdluli has already said, Butolezwe, aka Mkhokheli, Alpha Buri.
Skupani.
Umnandi.
Angikwazi umnandi njani, umnandi. Ngizosithi umnandi angazi uhlona.
Ugrand, angomnandi umnandi.
Umnandi.
Ugrand.
Amnandi sharp, stalo.
Konke swi. Savereza.
awufamta
Mr. Shongwe. Umqondisi Mshongwe, aka Savereza. Phela abantu abane umqondisi abanazo kuthiwa mqoba ethuthi. Uqoka limbane yani. Alpha Prom.
Sharp mtana.
James, I'm super excited today. I don't want to lie. I'm full Chelamang. Appointment kaDalobudle uVan V Zebra Revolution is now the CEO of Zebra Revolution.
Yeah. Say congratulations to Dad. One of us here at Pass and Move akubuzo.
Ngiyabona ku comment section abantu besithi that's why ku podcast engazakubona. Kanti sungu CEO.
Siyabonga, and we want to thank even Zebras for formalizing and becoming a proper football team. So all the best. Ngathi ngena umuntu wethu ibingekho pro. Isiproper kathesi ama results ayaphuma because la nxa ingabhayiza khona ngale yakwazi lapha siyamhlalela ibhobo asimzwele nxa usuka la
bengimtshela ukuthi waponda kuphela aloko Dalobudle sibanda mdawini asikungeni
hayi nxa sebondile sila
facts ukutshela ukuthi indoda
esikhole spade uma suthi uthi ibhashi kanjani mfowethu
alihlo
engavele iponde ziyamjeza
angavele iponde
but
akujabula
on a serious note
sijabula la
congratulations to Dalu. Angazi ukuthi singathi because is a young man with brilliant ideas is going to take Zebra Revolution to the next level. I-advantage over labo president abanjengabo Mkhokheli.
Abantu bebhora.
Lokuba
lebizo thola uMkhokheli futhi awona.
Ngahle ngayilahla. Angazi uyibona njani Savereza appointment kaDalu.
Mina it's a good appointment because it's a time people recognize ukuthi football is part of entertainment. The more people besuka ku-entertainment industry besiye ebhoreni, it shows ukuthi asibili i-audience abafuna ukuyibisa ebhoreni is still out there. Bazayenza ukuzabisa abantu ade even bela interest lebhora begcine bebuyile ebhoreni. We have seen how it have worked for ilokho zenini the Chiefs, like Blair Chiefs, with having
Chavas at the helm,
kwaba lama half-time shows landani ibhora nje lachaza kulenye atmosphere bakhona ngaba lo muntu entertainment entweni zebhora
100% because uDalu has been managerial position, has been ku-Highlanders prior sabona u-Highlanders wayenzani, but kwasungani you know when you are challenging with new ideas abantu abale imqondo yabo bele vision yabo lo mbono wabo. Now that uthi se appoint ku Zebra Revolution with a vision umuntu njengomkhokheli labanye abasekeli bakhe definitely going to see change. Angazi uyibona njani Sutman?
Mina ngibona it's a good move. Ngathi it's a great thing. Why? Because yabona uDalu ngabantu imind yabo wild. Like mina ngithe ngubona vele ukuthi uDalu ngasathi ngendlela iZebras la yachova swana ngendlela futhi khangela ukuthi anisikhulume ngokuthi umanager wakhona ngumkhokheli yabo which means yabona football upresident wakhona ifootball ingaranwa ngabantu abanjani abantu bebhora kunje so mina hayi ukuthi asha mina makungathiwa usavereza ukuthi olawo kumethwa uyi part of i-Islanders ku-committee kwapha nyawazi kulezi izinto ezizahamba but because of ukuthi ibhola lokho esalidonsa sadonso amaxhegu sadonsani alinda
kulezi hlahla ezingavuka
phela alinda but as long uletha abantu abanjabo bodala uletha abantu abale fresh mind ideas siyakude madoda ngebhola siyakude ayikhona amaxhegu
hayi ngiyakuzwa sibili ufaka umbono oproper we say congratulations to Dalubuhle Sibanda. We hope you're going to take Zebra Revolution to the next level. I'm super excited. Then ubro wakho usifayile imessage James I think layibona ngeza abantu bekhala umndebere finally Masudu check I think the problem
Ka respond Masudu ku YouTube.
Why
like iChop ngene ebusuku wesikhathi
respond ayila ukuthi ungene respond
okay anza respond
umndebere please guys siyabonga isupport abantu siyakwazi ukuthi banengi we appreciate. Let's engage in the comment section and you share abantu sibe banengi ifamily yethu ikhule mndebere thank you so much for that message. Yazi isinikeza amadlabuzana
it means a lot.
It means a lot to us. True.
isenza sibe le fighting spirit njengeSenegal
Suhle waqalisa uhle wavula inkundla. Just let's get the ball rolling. eSenegal ithe haloko ukuthi what anasikungena itrophy ngethu bayiparade ku friendly eFrance amakhiwa achaze ade ama Gens le trophy begqokile ama medal. Kuchoni kona kuyana even ku CAF and the world at large because it was for the world to see ukuthi iCAF ithi sebe strip iSenegal ukuthi ngama champions but Senegal is continuing saying ngama champions yaba le trophy. If you want the trophy come and get it.
Yeah, if you are silent you cannot get justice. So it's another way of being vocal. It's another way of being heard. We are fighting for justice. We won this thing on the pitch, and the pitch should decide. What is see win anjani. Whatever the errors that have happened, we are not condoning or supporting ukuthi bephume ground or something like that. But was ipora decide waliphele ground in terms of results. Then amanyama issues, that's the issues I say funama court ama externals like amanyama decisions ama red card and stuff and the funa court but the final result stands ukuthi uref wathi pre 1-0 Senegal won.
But mina vele on that issue I think a court of arbitration Switzerland there ayihle ithi Senegal champions owning
vele zasho njalo mntana.
Yeah, i-court la nxa ifuze iyenze njalo, i-court being court, a court has to be fair, a court has to be justice, a court has to hear both sides of the argument and then they will deliver their judgment. Yikho bengayenzi dictatorship behle bethi ka because a court has to give you have to feel safe, you have to feel ukuthi kona lawe raise lama arguments akho then ubase bekucrasha ngendlela yomthetho ukuthi ukuhamba njani. So I think the court is a decider. But obviously, the decision has to be clear. The decision for football has to be, let's win. Football win.
At the end of the day.
At the end of the
but
day.
What I'm trying to say is, mina ngaba happy. Bengabe ngahle bethi, because you know why? Everyone knows ukuthi Senegal won that trophy on the pitch. And akuphikiswa. We also what transpired ukuthi sibeloke sidonselana kefa ibhora into just repeat ugcina wenza abanye abantu abafuna ehlala sokukhala ngakuthi ama sponsor kulana. There's a lot of things that goes behind the scenes ebhoreni.
Mina personally I think it's high time maybe even iCAF njengoba ile mali iorganize even enye game okay sikusekhine crowd between those two teams.
Yabo suyibiza usithi kuyini?
Sufaka even neutral
Yabo
vein.
suyibiza usithi kuyini?
Ibe i-peace pipe nje into wangkhona
Peace match.
Peace
Right?
match.
The problem with that match, iMorocco ingawina, iSenegal yavusa umsindo. Ama-supporters ayavusa umsindo. So iyabe yadlala ku-empty stadium.
Even a neutral vein.
I-neutral vina yichitema stadium, ama-supporters ayavusa.
Kasithini. Anje sikhulumele ise-coffee peace. Sesikhulumele ise-coffee peace.
But for the sake of peace vele iSenegal labazi ngeke Savarez sithini. For the sake of peace iSenegal yawina.
Proper.
Yawina proper bayikhuthi phela after 2 months ibhora phela so lokuzini asoma cartoon la uthi iSenegal right at the parity cup yayo banika ama medals lana ligembulayo bagembula abantu abathi Senegal to lift badla imali so asingeke sithi after 2 months amakhasi setshintshile amatafula sebinde yabuyela back nono
Kanti na vele wakhutelana ipenalty to yes.
Bazikhuthela futhi ipheni babaningi ipheni yakho
maybe ngama-mind games
I think
katholakala eboreni
indaba lesi
but mina one thing engiyithandile futhi with the way Senegal behaved ngayo not only did they parade cup baze bafakile lesinye star
ezikhipheni.
ayi noma iyayilenda yona ingelazi star ukuyakhanya sengikhombela iloko eyayilenda kuyasho ngathi mbe sesithi balazi star iyayilenda iSenegal ifakile izstar zaba yi2 khathesi yabo iSenegal ifakile izstar zaba yi2 okutshengisa ukuthi thina we are not changing our decision or we are not going to back down ngezinto ezinjani ezi-off field.
You see why in City Code of Arbitration mele ihlibaniki.
Momentum yethu esikiyo.
We're not taking
so
down.
there is demotivated.
You understand?
But lena yiyo very behavior abantu bebhora because abantu bebhora have always been known to be rowdy but
In a good way.
In a good way. Yabo. Umuntu webhora akulamntu olenkani njengomuntu webhora ekubona wena ukwanisa even ukuthi udlala ibhora 6 hours nabe ngakuvizanga ungela ref
6 hours is none.
Ungela ref ungadlanga futhi.
But on a more positive note ku CAF because the issue le I think sizakhuluma ngayo sizibele inwele ezimhlophe emakhanda Senegal insara le trophy whatever outcome ezabuya vele siyahlala sikhuluma ngayo. Then I think for me there's a positive development ebuye ku CAF. We saw CAF unveil new tournaments for our national teams, gents. There's we know AFCON proper will now going to be played after 4 years, but after the next tournament, which is in 2027. So which means from 2027 to 2031, going to the AFCON. Then so the African Nations League, continental, is a every year. It got some regional zones. Maybe COSAFA, which is the next one, central, northern, whatsoever, from our regions. Then best team will qualify for a final tournament in a one countries are host in a host country. About the tournament proper. All players eligible, including Europe based or whatever, or Asia based or whatever, but all players are eligible as long as they are part of that country. Then we're going to have an African Nations League, which is Pan-African, played every 2 years, same format as Africa Cup of Nations, but played with 24 teams. Then the one that we've already said, AFCON, it stays. Just ukutshintsha nje kuphela ilokho amayezi libona njani i-development leyo.
Lokho mina I think is high time labo baze bacabanga kuhle ama changes ona la yenzakele yani avusa abantu lokho kuzayenza i-African football ibe competitive because abantu bese be ngasathi ama tournaments e-Africa bathatha serious. But ikhathese ama national teams azahlala lawo enjani active ungayisikuthi kumbe kuyaso kuyilani ukuthi
indaba zama-friends
sokusebenzi indaba zama-friendly because ama teams they don't recognize ama-friendly because babe bona athi ama-friendly azabalimazela ama-players lani
abanye bebengela mali
ukwenza ama-friendly no caps lani abanye bebe mali ama-financial lokhu zenini situation so uthola sokudlala ama-clubs le national team but guys I think baza kuthatha serious so wonke ama-teams azaqayisa kuhle ukubuild ama-teams from i-grassroot level besenzela ukuthi abantu bengabi exhausted landani and okunye ukuthi khonokho ukuthi indaba yeSenegal leMorocco sembonile ukuthi iyenza ama-changes not only on bringing i-new format yama-cups but even lo secretary general ngibone ngombe sesithi se-resign ngombuthi
Keso uchisa kitchen.
so uchisa the hot city is now hot
Proper.
so maybe because we are new brains new ideas structures ngachinja obviously labe sikwazi ukuthi kube kulokunye ama-dust abazashekasheka
Yeah.
Any additions, subtractions?
Yeah, liqiniso ilokuzeni i-4 nations. Sorry, ikuthiwa ndi AFCON. I-4 nations leyo qeda ukuba i-4 nations lapho sesikhuluma khona lapha.
Uyazala ungakaqhubeki.
Bana.
Sizangena ku-4
Sizolithola. Ikhafu mfuthi 4 years ukuthi kona ikhafu yabisidlalwa elokuzeni yafika idlala after 4 years which makes it the elite sport in Africa. The highest one and la kuyabe sokusiba lesithunzi into yonke vele ingadlala idlala njokoji kayilulazisa iyaswela isithunzi plus lokho ukuthi kona every team ukuthi ikwanisa ukudlala because in African nations is being played by all the 54 countries which are registered to FIFA, CAF rather. Meaning to say ukuthi kona alisachoni lizihlupha lana ngokudinga imali zani zokwenza ama-friendlies. You know that each and every international break nxa ukuthi kona liku season yakhona you play, you have got a game to play and it's going to force ama-national teams, ama-countries to build ama-stadiums because kuyabe kubhoti beke dlala kumakhelwane every year dlala kumakhelwane and it becomes expensive. So I think abakhulu bethu abezifa ngale babona sokwenzakalana sokuminjani ngale so abalungisa ama-stadiums abekhona because esitende eZimbabwe sila nje stadium esi1 which can host any match. That's the problem.
Sila i-BF what they
asikabi nayo
national team
ichawanda sikakwani yasilama lights so that's the problem.
Okay, but I think if ama-finalities wonke
Ngaqeda
it can be able to host
international standard yeah.
But I hear you, gents. These are and okungichazile ukuthi okwenzakala kubo member sokwenzakala ebafazini ikhafu sikubonile sokuthuthuka konke nxa bekhweza ama prize bakhweza both sides.
That's the thing enhlezi ngikhalela ukuthi kona let's recognize a girl child as well.
Yazi benathi amanzi down awempompi ngakhumbula something kana kula muntu ongafuna ukuthi abantu bamanzi laba bebuye besisponse ngamavambe kwakumnandi lapha nobuya lama abe-Chiefs beke basizama ku-episode lapho akunomunye ongasizama khona ngapho babukeni ukuthi sibe sithelelana
so advertise namanzi akho
kuthi sibe yazi menza isitozi
cause unganatha amanzi vele abantu abasponsileyo uba lama-points lawa itape lawa.
Speaking about partners I've just received a message ukuthi someone is coming through they want to join the family. Lucky Bets is coming on board. Chinese handle umkhawongwane
sizotha bets ibet silalisa abantu
isponsor selokuzeni basponsor bakwazi ukusponsor kulenye team abayisponsor ebulalayo ngebhola.
So Lucky Bets, if you are feeling lucky
I'm feeling like
if you are feeling lucky khathesi wohlungene ku luckybets.co.zw. I think lapha ikozabona iwebsite yabo zabona kakhulu then kuzathi uthole le link yokuregister. I think amajita azayifaka ilink Lucky Bets.
awusatshoni landela ama-bets usayachaya usendlini bro chaya usemotweni uhlupumile
yabona lokhu iphathi lana esishako nama prediction sehle sinike ibizo
Lucky Bets
isi Lucky Bets proper ukuthi wena ulela kakhulu ucabangayo sesinike ibizo nxa sesishama prediction lapha
ama time for Lucky Bets.
Savereza wakacabanga the least card abilicabanga amabizo
but thinking about it but kuhle lokho ukuthi it seems like like Lucky Bet is isibo ngcono ukuthi
Ngifake
idlale
ngaphi
labantu
lapho
wa going
esikhanya khona,
far.
ngifake ngabe ukuthi uyifake la ibikhanya bengasitshayi since they are coming through. Yes, there bese bengikhulume ngamanzi ngenye into esisele nxa ulamanzi akho ispace sikhona ungayisabi, join the family sibe baningi lathi kukhanye ukuthi singabantu impompi eish
amanzi empompi
ngiswela ama points. Moving forward,
ubona bese ngikhuluma nge4 nations amanzi
ngamanzi
sele ngena ku 4 nations. Moving forward, just let's ngene ku 4 nations. We saw gents Zimbabwe preparing for i4 nations. Sasipredicted esakupredictayo, but usavereza waye right ukuthi hayi the draw specialist bazayidraw.
mina ngithi bazayiravuza ibhoso.
Exhibition match, it took place Islanders versus Zimbabwe. They drew 0-0. Abantu they were super happy ukuthi i-Island ikhulile ama Warriors. Then ama Warriors athe suka udlala le Island eBF ba Botswana ba driver by Botswana. Abanye ba flyer, Zambia flew, Malawi flew, who else flew in? Botswana was already there, so it's 4 teams. Zambia and Malawi flew in. Zimbabwe drove to Botswana. Kulabanye abantu bekhala besithi why Zimbabwe did not fly, but mina ngesingami ngibona bebesuka kobulawayo. I think Bulawayo to Francistown is 100.
Even from Harare to Francistown, we don't have a direct plane. Singela direct plane kanjalo hlezi zikhala ngokuthi ama players ala mali sidlalisa imali ukugada just i86 and something k's.
You know what I'm saying?
There's no problem about driving.
Exactly, that was my point.
Phela ukusuka kubulawayo siye eFrancistown kuseduze la usuke eHarare ukubulawayo usuke eHarare.
Laphana people were being dramatic.
Just wonye ukuthanda ukusola.
Abantu
You
bayathanda
understand?
complain.
Izororo by drive amajita.
Luxury.
Ibhasi
100 Ks.
I plan on road.
You understand what I'm saying? Wesimgwaqo proper nje.
Yeah.
Lamthi road. Vela uzwa. That is what befike Botswana.
But mina enye into enginanzeleleyo nasihlala sikhuma ama changes. Asazi ti route le planwe ngumanager omutsha kumbe njani.
uEzrom
siyabona uEzrom la isebuyile lama results. Uthi maybe is part of ama changes kumbe vele into adikhona ku long run. But now ukuthi nguye, congratulations Ezrom on your new role and 3 points so far.
Ushawa ku final.
So
Ushawa 3 goals.
ukuthi kahle laphana savereza iZimbabwe la yabuya yazodlala le team yala eIsland. iZimbabwe yathola ukuthi i-team le yadlala ukudlula yona. Yabo le team yadlala sibili ukudlula iZimbabwe, but yaba le party kuphela ukuthi vele in terms of vele yona ngiyama draw yiko nithe ngazo kubuya iBarcelona siyayidrawisa, ngazo kubuya iArsenal siyayidrawisa, vele sayenza ngoba sidume ngakho. But in terms of ifootball phansi yonke umdlalo iIsland idominated. Yathi suka lapha eZimbabwe yadlala abantu abangalaziyo ukuthi thina kube sadlala labo kumbe sasiyawina 6 kumbe ischayi Botswana 6 kumbe sasifika sidrawise futhi thina ngaze sidlale labantu abangalaziyo siyadrawisa. But iZimbabwe ngale ama results lana anzima, it's a win asingeke sisole, but hey kunzima iBotswana ukuthi asoyebhora baba
isiqiniso. Ukuthi mina maybe angazi ngithanda ukukhuluma iqiniso nje lanxa abantu bezanzondela iqiniso lami.
Ayiqiniso lesilifuna.
Igame engayibukela eBF. Of course mina ngikade ngikhuluma ngakho of lamphikisa nje ukuthi khona it's irrelevant ukuthi a club always play better than i national team. Ngoba abantu labana abajayelene ukudlala ibhola. But now bejayelene i-combination yabo it becomes easy. Khangela i-national team yenu omongameli babedotshwe that day bafaka khona pa wahlo waqalisa wadlala so le training out me train one day the national team.
Yeah, what one day.
So i-combination lapha sasibona individual brilliance ku national team. Sasingaboni cohesion umbile uze information ukuthi badlala njani besiya nga sasingaboni bedlala somurila kadlala even kuleze kuthiwa manje ku Scotland ezodlala ku national team.
Amapeza amaqaba kafaya.
Ezodlala ku national team. Vele lwana ukuthi udinga lapha asondala ukuhlabela phela into badlala ibhola.
umurilo liqaba
Hayi alwa naye.
Then
manje ubizwa njani unational team abengadlali
for motivation.
Then Alright.
uyamotivatwa njalo umuntu ongadlaliyo
Manas continue.
iyahlabela
Yeah,
ebhasini.
singaphambanisa.
Then ilokhu zenini ibhoso into engihlezi ngikhuluma ukuthi kubhoso ibhoso iyadlala good football but abafana ngaka ngakhuluma futhi singithuma suthi ngithi kona into emangalisayo ukuthi kona we've got a striker in the form of Benjani, we've got a striker in the form of Mkhokheli, but those Zenzu manage, but those guys are not even lethal phambili badlala ibhola labo i-midfield yebhoso yencisha ama-strikers ibhola ikakhulu uda engathola ibhola first uqale ekhangela egedini lakhe ebese chibilika sizakhonenza pasi ibhola nxa ngalipasi futhi phambili so kuswelakala umuntu odlala ibhola eswitch esebenzisa abantu phambili ngale esebenzisa abantu phambili ebanika amabhola behluleke bodwa
hayi apavari mntana
A1 kakayenzi lutho
phela lwana proper coach umarinika kuhle kumbe omunye coach ungasomarinika vele ona kamba obese
problem abantu beyalenders because umuntu
Not abantu beyalenda.
2 ka 3 so uthoya
Mina neutral.
so umuntu amprove wrong
Mina neutral, bra.
mina I'm an honest person, I'm not even ashamed to say this umuntu amprove wrong and I spoke about it ku podcast le uthi kona I didn't see the reason why he was called umfana lo lokuzenini umonga ngawukhuluma mina I didn't see the reason why he was called but even though edlala that day because nje umuntu ovele ngilama doubts ngathi kona since ubench west khona uShilton Mbano ngamnjani ongambhentsha ukuthi vele hleze bone ba dominate ku training sizedlala lenders then uhamba wahlohla futhi ku eBotswana so I think is
Debbie.
I
No,
think is
But
good.
mina
Okay.
Summarizing what Butho have said, mina I think very intelling elicho ukuthi iHighlanders plays and plays better football than the national team, but it's a problem when it comes to finishing.
That's true.
So that's what they should work on. Then ingabe banjalo Highlanders is going to be competitive.
Yeah.
Singayekela sibili ukuthi
amateam amaningi.
because ngendlela abadraw ngase sicanga ukuthi maybe baza sebesibiza even eArt Gallery ukuthi yani lizobona iHighlanders eArt Gallery la.
Say someone ogqoka ze-100.
We are celebrating a legacy. We are celebrating a legacy. I'm a player Chiefs fan. But into enhle iyanjani yabuka because not only Zimbabwe national team should recognize strengths eHighlanders but almost everyone
in the country
or football lover
because
bona nasebekhuluma they said igame lana it was not only made for it to be an exhibition match, it was also meant to celebrate what Highlanders mina yabe ngingubani ilizwe lonke nalisithi Highlanders mina yabe ngingubani
but into engayibona manje inkinga engayisolayo on that game some Highlanders fans are not football fans.
Say it again.
Some Highlanders fans are not football fans.
Masudu uyamuza
Abanye abantu abasupport iHighlanders asonto bebhora.
hayi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngani
Nisakhuluma phela. Right. We are there as a national team. The national team is recognized ilokuzenini. iZimbabwe ukuthi idlale lebhoso. Then iselidlala lebhoso they comes a mascot. Uyabuye celebrate lana ukuthi bezo celebrate for that 100 days. Selimchaya. What for? Uchayelwana eground. I-friendly match. We are playing, we are all Zimbabweans. Abantu beHighlanders ngamaZimbabweans. And futhi ucoach yazange efaka even eforeigner kwaLenders. Abantu beHighlanders abaseground ngamaZimbabweans. Abantu beZimbabwe bedlala ngamaZimbabweans. Thina sonke sema-terrorists waZimbabweans. Why fight?
But kulaba abantu abangayi understand into engihlala ngikhuluma ngayo mina ukuthi people out there, football is meant to unite people, not to divide people.
asifundiseni
As
Vereza.
football is actually meant to unite people, not to divide people. Ibhola liyamele lisibambanise, lihlanganise. Sibe into eyi-one.
That broke my heart. It broke my heart. And nxa ungakhumbula ngahle sisana khona phana khona athi ngesuka khona phana ngahle ngasuka ngahle ngahlala ku VIP. Because kwanzisa ubuhlungu ukuthi khona we are a nation together. We are just trying to celebrate, trying to give iHighlanders a chance ukuthi amanye ama-team aku-rest lina lithole chance yokupractice so that we can go and kill. But seliphinda sesiba futhi.
Ku-VIP wangena njani wona wawubhadala i-3 past
akafika ngabhadala imali khona.
I was just but on a serious note, I like what you are saying, Butho Elosa Vereza. Masudu, even khona pano sesowethi ungu-ambassador webhola wena try to teach abanye ukuthi no guys.
Just refrain from
Exactly. That's why ngasuka because I didn't want to associate myself with that. Mina I'm not a hooligan. I'm a football fan.
I think we also that kule abanye babe
Even abanye bacase bechaya umunye waYighlanders because ugqoka into eZimbabwe.
which is wrong.
Which is wrong.
I understand that. siku-celebratory mood enjalo
Uthawuqokele nokweZimbabwe umZimbabweni.
asiyala abantu balembono yabo etshiyeneyo omunye uyabe le-agenda yakhe you understand this is what I was trying to say ukuthi umuntu nomuntu unombono wakhe ule-agenda yakhe but kule common denominator
Exactly.
yakhona
khona singakusho
Eh.
ukuthi ezisavereza said ukuthi i-football was meant ukuthi
is meant
is meant hayi ngathi vele idalwa idalwa i-football yayizohlanganisa abantu
Exactly.
so like abafowethu mana sisikhuze like abafowethu inalana nto ukuthi we take sometimes i-politics sifake ebhoreni
which is unnecessary
which means yona into yayilenda lana vele ama-supporters ethu thina abanye ama-supporters mala ngizivayele kiko ngoba I am a supporter nje asikhipheni politics ebhoreni
Zonelwa mvinye.
asikhipheni politics ebhoreni so laphana bona basebeboneni into ze-politics bengasabonanga ibhora bayibonile abantu bona bayibona i-politics
but
so because into ababexabana ngayo babexabana nge-national flag only into
this is what Butho is trying to
That's what I'm
preach
saying.
this is what Butho is
National
trying
flag
to
between
preach
isikhwameni sakho isithupha sakho sine-national flag.
but enye into
So it's the
engiyithabelayo
politics.
mina that day noma orefu abantu besithi ama-fares abo ababhadalwayo for ama-games aphansi that day akuzange kwaba le mistake yabo refu akuzange kwathini
I think already they've seen sangena ku-issue enale and it's another issue as savereza a trick because sithe sibona ama-phase lawana abo bemfuna ukuqeda ingakangeni ku-issue enale esuyithintile yabo ama-phase abo ref bemfuna ukuqeda nge-issue kamfana nopavara nje ukhuluma ngupavara ngupavara nje
Pavari. Ngisho selimtshintsha lebizo.
nguphavara ure
upavara
Pavari.
upavara mana imbize mina endleleni ngibona kubhalwe ngayo upavara nje that's one hell of a player madoda amfuna utshela manga
engadlula u-4
oh
engadlula u-4
lo unomo
no more
ano ngikhulumela ku-position
Ayidlalayo.
adlala i-defender i-position ayidlalayo akula muntu so far ama-game esengwabonile eZimbabwe who plays like that boy I was ngale ngqondo yokuthi uMarinika Butho mbone enye ikhana ngikhuluma ukuthi uMarinika because ngendlela umfana adlala ngayo mdala o ngendlela so far adlala ngayo akuna muntu ongamkhulela ku-position yana la it deserves a collab nje bemfuna ukukhalela le then sembuya kubo ref moving on ngoba yawa sikadebetela ngalize lapho moving on we saw ama
izimali abaziholiswayo
yes imali eholiswa oref ifakiwe officially for out there for everyone to see into lena sihlala sikhala ngayo on this platform ukuthi we always have problems
justice for ref
we always have problems nxa oref kuzimali
officiating.
abaziholayo we
Officiating.
always have a problem officiating 180 for a ref I think it's similar to match commissioner like guess 180 then the assistants get something like 160
160 150
160 that's the range ngemali ezinjalo ngemali esezikhona kade esebhoreni imagine umuntu nxa ibiyele 500 esekwazi wena uthola 180
180
nge5 pin igame can be over 10
Right. To start with, I once said this, ukuthi khona, if it was possible, the referees were going to be paid by the association than it would be part of the home club. Now, the home club, you see, a stadium. I-stadium but abantu babhadala $5 ungene ground. Bebuye balutshwane futhi eground abantu abangakhiphi imali encane. Ifuze ibhadala amapolice. Ifuze ibhadale so many things for the match day to run. Ifuze ibhadale futhi oref. Yikho ukuqalisa khona iproblem khona baba. Ngakuthiwa khona orefu ama-clubs ayenza i-affiliation behambisa imali ku-association. Oref they were going to be given a better money. But now it's easy futhi as well ukuthi khona ilokuze nini i-club home club ngidize urefu because vele ngizakuhambisa imali kurefu since ambhadala even though ibhadalwa 3 PSL ngoba nxa kukuthi khona urefu uphiwa 180 for a pay game engayekela ukurefula for 4 games like this khathi sakula game abarefulanga so abalalutho which means iholo lakhe selifile sele mali encane ama-plans selifile nxa engaselekthwanga which means uthole 180 per month i-180 ayikhavi lutho
mabe off season futhi
off season yakula lutho so bengaba le salary specifically for ama-refs ebhadalwa i-association ukuthi yonke i-team e-affiliate ku-Premier League iyabhadala imali ku-association. This money is for the ref. Maybe ngathi $10.
Point ile ukhuluma iqhakathekile. Speak on the mic my brother.
Right.
Uzasitshayisa ngomndebere.
Sorry Mdex. Ukuthi khona yonke imali abayibhadalayo ibhadala i-affiliate kulokuzeni ku-association yama-football iZIFA. Then iZIFA pays ama-players. ZIFA looks for donations for ama-referees or the Zimbabwe Referees Association or whatsoever they have. Kuba sponsor bethola ama-sponsors to pay or ref and take salary yabo maybe to a certain amount. Whether we referee or reflang, we are going to get proper officiate.
But Kadesi mina, I think eZimbabwe problem onye ukuthi o-referee I doubt they are being taken serious. Kumbe ukuthi labo i-refereeing lana bayithatha njenge-piece job, njenge-part-time. But so umuntu oyenza i-piece job sometimes uyakwanisa ukuthi yenze into ibe perfect. Sometimes uyakwanisa ukuyenza esezicabangela personal. So kusiya ngokuthi yena financial uminga. So but mina from my own side I think imali yana even noma inga increase hayi babe yenze kuhle ama ina ukuthi bakwanisa ukuthi bengezelele izimali bethi ibhora seli $5 besibulala o-ref wayo bona bengangezelela imali iqansi ephezulu
O-ref abantu
they've been receiving that money.
I'm saying even u-ref Jackie plays a very
pivotal role because uthethiswa nsuku zonke ngaze yenza decision right uyathethiswa enze wrong uyathethiswa.
Let's professionalize o-ref.
mina ngicabanga i-point kabuthi o-ref ababele pay yabo ezahambe ukuthi maybe engasarefuli ikho ke abangastopa khona bebhadala imali le yama-civil servants ibhadalwa yi-PSL ukuthi maybe bayebuyile la iclub labathu ayamnika imali maybe imnike $50 for ama-transport what
exactly ngubamba umlomo khona lapho bebe le pay yabo even lanxa ngaba yi-400 i-400 njalo isuka kuZIFA then nxa isidlala sebephiwa kama-180 la
sebephiwa ama-180
that way it makes sense
that way because actually madoda manje namhla i-rent lokhu ithi 30
ubhadala 450
urefu ubhadala maybe i-rent 200 US i-rent asikakhulumi lokudla ubuya wena ungoya le ndawo uthi ref sicela siyakwazi singaba ama-draw sibile ref but siyacela namhla usinikeze iphena nansi 400 ref
yonke leyo
le ndawo noma ingaphiwa ipheni ya draw
hayi
I draw ngayile play chief I draw ngayile
basebenze rongo
sanika oka but nimnika oka nansi 400 wena urefu awuthi ukuthi
hayi ayikho ngitsho ukuthi is high time
iCaps United ngawina igame phi 500
ama-allowance. This is the thing gents ukuthi let's professionalize o-ref bethole better allowances and wages at the end of the day because ukuze sikhiphe i-corruption esihlala sikhala ngoba kwesinye isikhathi u-ref benza i-mistake kungela corruption sisicine sicabanga ukuthi
indlala yemi
you understand kuyi-genuine mistake because mistakes are even kule vase ke sikubona o-ref bayenza ama-mistake ivayenza that's why khathi esikhuluma nge-issue yeSenegal iqinise le bread kuyatholakala is there part and parcel of i-football but as long as o-ref bethu bethola imali ezincane siyahlala silama-problem so yisicelo to whoever okhangela o-ref i-Referees Association please siyacela o-ref abazama ukungeza isicelo.
So basically what we are saying ukuthi besicela ukuthi lehlisele thina ibhora libe $3 likhwezela o-ref ipay kodwa
and you saw ukuthi
babonete abantu babuye njani ebhoreni labantwana
$3 effect ye$3
bayibona effect $3 phakathi kweviki
abantwana ababathi $1 phela bazabuye than ukuthi abantwana bebe bonke bengabathi malume sicela usingenise i-PSL should try to review ama-prizes abo
yabona 100% in Los Alvarez le nto zathina sikhala ngayo i-$3 Alvarez ndabona imnandi lobo siyabukela ibhora bukela emnandi so siyacela 100% sicela lisehlisele ibhora $3
mina umuntu engahamba la ebhoreni awu confess this wasibhadalela singu3 nge $10 But engakwanisa yini?
ngeke
Kungayisi ukuthi asikhona uthathe
laba bamfona ngathi ngihamba lo munye umuntu lami nganginisa omunye umuntu $3 lami ngapha $3.
it makes that way
So akuncedi into $3 cani yehle bakithi.
hayi urefu labo sakara
3 mara siphelele endaweni yethu PSL asipheleni ku $3 siyabuya eground
there's
sibani
another issue James emfuna sithi khabara sidlule kiyo but it's very important though this week is some important issues kuphela under 15 CAF schools tournament both boys and girls ama squad aphumile abantu bechinga kakhulu ukuthi noma zokuthiwa izikolo ezeZimbabwe zonke
yabona lena irabish bro
izikole that they don't truly represent Zimbabwe but at the end of the day those are the students, those are the boys and girls that will represent Zimbabwe at the end of the day.
To start with, Mr. Khatebe, start with is that we cannot all be elite that we can send abantu abethu eChurchill. We cannot be able to send them over Prince Edward. We cannot be able to do that. Izandla zilingana. Isipho asibuyi ngokuthi ule mali umba una mali. It's a talent which comes from God. So nxa consider a talent ukuthi khona ole mali is the one who's going to benefit, the poor are not going to benefit. We become wrong. We're no longer being a nation. Isquad lesena si represent those who are elite, those who have got money. Thina singela mali silabantwana bengela mali abane talent abagiqikayo kubongubo kubo sikhulile kubo mpophoma kubo mocha isikhova kubo bani ngale. But bele talent they are failing to represent their nation.
Ukhuluma so man ungakhangela mepengce iyayilinda khathesi abafana badlala iDeliana kulabafana about 6 or 7 that went to Msitheli. Akula amboni uyayilinda kulomuntu weCBC khathesi. To second your point what you are saying bona laba weCBC they won't make it to
abayindawo
abaningi
because labana vele abayindawo because labana besuka laphana bahle besuka bejikele kubo Harvard bejikele khona ngale ma Oxford uma university blind laba abaletha abafuna ku survive from talent ebora because abala lutho bafuna ukuthuthukisa imuli zabo yibele balahlayo
then as a nation sesaba lokuyi dry spell when it comes to ama under 23 ama under 20 cause abantu bona baze belokhe beba nature walaba abayirunusa unkuko ababhadala 1950 asakwazi fees le ebhadalwa edurayo isibhadalwa lokuthi imthengele umntwana iposition ku national team kumbe njani ibhora just like you have said ukuthi akurecognized ama talent based on merit nothi ukuthi uzibani ngumntakazibani kumbe uzibani ukwazi ubani ozibani influence yakhe iminjani yikubona even iZimbabwe khathesi
yona national team
even yona under 15 yona le did not qualify for that tournament. They only qualified just because engama host. Othi if those people abale mali ngabe twa ibhora balikwanisa they were going to qualify straight ngabe twa kumbe sikhuluma nge-national team sikhuluma nge-national team yama-under 15 which is going to fly from Zimbabwe maybe siyadlala eGhana kumbe siyadlala eBenin ngabe sithi hayi they deserve ukuba lapha but so far ungakhangela i-success rate yabo bona laba abantwana bezikolo zonezi ezilemali akukabi le result enjani sukhayele from previous tournament
kodwa kufaka ukumention just a few to give context to the viewers abangakwaziyo. This tournament is going to be played khona eZimbabwe from 2 to 10 CAF schools tournament and these are the under 15 boys for izim izikolo anso ze ngamba amabizo ngizaphunga ukhetha izikolo engizibonayo. I see Churchill ile 1 ebafaneni. I see Imandava, I see Irusununguko ile 1 2 3 4 5 Rusununguko ile 6 Rusununguko angisazi isikolo Rusununguko hayi
Bromley why is kulabantwana bezezani ababa ama champions but you are not seeing even one
of them. Then we've got the Advent Hope School we've got Guinea Fowl,
Christian
we've got the
Brothers
St.
College.
Eric High, we've got the Allen Wilson, St. George's College. Then izikole ezingaziyabizeka isomvubu leMandaba yizo ezingaziyabizeka bafana. And then I'll go to the girls side, the under 15 for the girls is good, but men's will put amabizo laphana ukuthi abantu bezibonele. I see it I reality ekhona asizikhulumeli. We've got Inyashanu High, we've got Faro. Inyashanu has got 1 2 emankazana ku dominator Inyashanu.
Inyashanu senyanga.
Angiyazi Inyashanu ye dominator emankazaneni kule Fupa Jena. Isikolo esingathi siyazazi Mpophoma isomvubu. Mpophoma High School at least represent emankazaneni le 2. Then kulabo Ralph High, labo Rufaro High, Gwinyai Lungwe Primary, Gwinyai Primary, emankazaneni under 15 there is a primary. So what you guys are basically saying, which in these national teams, high schools, they are not high schools. They selected abantwana abafunda ezikolo ezingazi top, then they neglected ama-talents abantwana abanye ababuya kwezinye izikolo from other regions abangabe belazi but abasaphiwa ithuba.
Khangela khona anti kuthiwa khona i-CAF secondary schools.
It's African schools.
Or schools.
Yeah, it's African schools. Because thola la lowe primary emankazaneni ekhona. As long as under 15.
Mina ngakakhuluma yabona as long as u10 national nje sengicaba mawusunika ilist yakhona mawusu10 national nje sunika interest ukuthi ngikhangele into le is a nation thing. But mase ngikhangela ukuthi mbona ukuthi akula national njengabafana under 15 la akula national because thina ibhora siyalibukela from grassroots la. Lawa bafana babizile ezavereza ukuthi besitsho ukuthi kunabantu okuthiwa babhadala ama 2000. Obvious umntwana obhadala ama 2000 uyabe close to ubaba close to bona abaselectayo kumbe na lo oselectayo uyabe pororo ubaba yena lo. Yabo? So there is no way. So there is no way. Then thina esibukele ngayibhora you know ukuthi ma wena kunje so la ukuhamba grassroots mbosa vereza kuwa le day wena lo unga stingy ukukhiphe imali uthengele umntwana ibhuti ubothi ufala ukuyabulala ngebhora but kuhlala logogo kuhlala kuyahamba long last time savereza bekhuluma about long distance abafana bayihambayo unifala uhamba long distance ubuye thwele ibhuti elidabukileyo vela alila vena ama stats even one uyathelela but ibhora uyabulala nje uzucina umthengela but lapha vele bebengeke bebizwe just because ukuthi bakhangele bona abantu ababapororayo aso football
bra umuntu obhadala imali ye-under 50 ngethemu i-school fees
more than 150
sithi sisenza umhlolisiso ukuthi sicubungula lokhu zenini lo artist at find out ukuthi khona kumankazana umuntu obese esenzo ebuthiwa technical director khona nguyade nguref nguyade i-scout nguyade mobilizer everything A1 ozamphikisa mba.
That is why ilanga lisiyachona uyathola isquad esinjengalesi.
Sixeka
so it's
ukuwina sengawina ibhora yawina anything.
But
you want a true representative.
That's what you want. Ukuwina silanda mina ndaba le result. But nendaba le representation.
Mina umbuzo bengilawazi bekuyikuphi. Uthole imephence erusuni nguku babulala. As we are saying school fees ziyadura, they've got maybe better facilities. Lo gana ma-shooters uchapa para lwana uma-shooters wajayele ilona ijwayele ibhoro yalazi sebechecka from khona lapho maybe
yabona into le naso ikhangela isibuyela futhi ku-issue esike sakhuluma ngayo recently yama-academies ukuthi iZIFA was now demanding imali eningi ukuthi iZIFA i-issue le ye-selection ingayikhangeli nge-perspective yabantu aba-affordayo kumbe abantu abalemali abakhangele ngetalent. Yiko ubona khathesi mina kuyamangalisa mina ukuthi khathesi ngendlela abantu bebhora esibazi ngayo asiyali maybe ama-teams lana they've run out of isteam ama-teams anjengabo Mzilikazi K40 Pamshana Gogomere because they've always dominated and when it comes to football let me tell
yeah
but when it comes to football besikwazi ukuthi akhona ama-pioneers izinto ziyatshintsha
Yeah, true. Angikuphikisi khona.
like andiyothiwa work without play
Mix.
nakwesikolo maybe new curriculum maybe because okunjani ososenza abanye sithi ama-private schools la seqathi
Asesibangcono.
but thina besafunda thina besikwazi ukuthi akumangalisi ukuthi ubone even iplayer elivela eBhinga kumbe iplayer elivela eMtare lipikiwe kwesquadini sama under 15 kumbe njani because abantu they were going out there to scout for talent.
Talent, yeah.
Talent belingascoutwa ngefoni. Talent belingascoutwa ngokuthi umzali kaZibani usehaye umuntu ozahamba eshoot ama video while list umntana akhe edlala
kumbe
osemenzela statistics. What about those who cannot afford i-luxury njalo? Which makes it ukuthi talent liza njani?
Lapho ukhulumile.
Liza feta phela.
Lapho ukhulumile la.
Angitsho ukuthi umbe mvale imali labo abaqhashwayo ukuyenzela abantwana ama statistics but ama scout awaphume aye ku ground bayekele ukureceive ama report bechanga ama econ ali affect vele kusiyanga ngabethwa
but lapho ukhulumile la. Lapho ukhulumile, that's the problem esizabalayo kakhulu. But mina angisho ukuthi you know what gents asivuleni ilihlo sikhaya both sides kulabantu speaking about ama academy kulomuntu ongabona iboys eblind yena le ebingela ama shooters ayithathe ethi erisununguko they've got better facilities amhambisa you understand it happens kulomfana lo we-Chiefs umsona uthethwe eHarare ufunde eCBC yabona bamfaye nga because why iCBC has got better facilities is going to improve even education yakhe but iChiefs yambona is talented yamthatha yambisa koBulawayo yamhambisa eCBC you understand ipoint lapha engakhona ukuthi
ngiyaphenduka khona khuluma
you understand ukuthi so maybe engceke kulabantu asebebona talented boys esikhalela ukuthi ngabe bakhona ku squad engcenye yibo bona laba aba talented bebathethe
scholarship
babanikeza ama scholarship you understand singa crash but wasila background asikwazi but thina sile background maybe lana ukuthi we know ukuthi eBoren akuyenzi ungabi lo mfana wemzilikazi akuyenzi ungabi lo mfana wesobukazi akuyenzi ungabi lo mfana wePamshana akuyenzi ungabi lo mfana wegogoma you understand the point embuya ngayo but utholi iBhora abantu sebelikhayela ngenye indlela sebelikhanda okay right iboys lay ekhunywa ngoMasudu engela ku background epoor but iBhora uyalazi nangu umfana sesimbone ku academy asimthatheni umfana lo which schools have got better resources ukubulawa iCBC asimkhambisene eCBC you understand iboys isifunde eCBC nxa sebeyipika sebeyithatha from CBC nxa thina singakwazi ngela that knowledge sesingasola sithi sebepika abantu beCBC because wale maroro utold maybe ngabafana bona lawo I'm just saying ngoba ngikwazi
right nyakuza bafo that is true and can be disputed as well because you cannot say that all that contingency isquad sonke lesana ngabantu abaku scholarship you cannot say that
angikwazi
even if ungakwazi logically common sense you cannot say that but most of the times into enginanzelelayo mina ngabantu bonke bona besikhuluma ngabo I as a parent I cannot send umntana umuntu ebhadala efunde esikole embhadala khona fees ese 3,000 4,000 ngiza kwehlule ukuthi umntana mayefunda university outside the country. That's where the problem comes now. Nxa sokuzabuya kuma under 17 sokuma under 18 because umntwana ona 18 is now at the university. Sechilo ke bhora kasadlala ibhora lesikole tesilalo. Sesiqala sokudinga kuthi ade Zimbabwe kule ma players anjanje. You know, that's where the problem comes now. But nxa lingathatha bona abantu available le passion, especially bona abahambe ngama scholarships, yibaba last time kuphela eBoren most of the times. Yibaba last time yibo lokuze nomfana labo thwa mbona ukhipha lo wayebambela Dynamos lo. Anda wayefunde ezikoleni ezingane ziyacaca. Umkuru even nxa se states lokho esurvive ngebhora lakhe because of what ikwakuli talent. But abaningi abahambe because bale mali bayenza ibhora because it's just in the curriculum of the school. They have to play bhora sebabona khona sebathatha
benefits
but iChurchill even bikwenza Jane
yeah church
but most of the parents
it's a better school
even impopoma
haya
but okunye yabona
bengaqedi mbija 2 minutes the reason most of the times in lapho ngifuna ukuya khona entweni ukuthi khona umuntu uyascout A1. Those parents, they can afford to come abantwana outside the country. Bayakwazi outside of the country ama-opportunities, ama-chances okuthi umntana wabo ebe recognized ukuthi uthole indawo kumbe njani ukuthi ule talent lebhora ukuwadlalela i-national team. So it's easy for them ukuthi be-bribe even umuntu oselectayo nxa bekwazi manje oselectayo.
For my
international cape, so that they can have a better CV for their child. Bengayenzeli ibhora. I see ukuthi mark my words were correct. I see ukuthi kokwenzakeleyo. It's my assumption. Ukuthi it becomes easy for them. That is why uzathola silema list anje so. So inkinga ekhona but nxa ukuthi bathethe kuhle kuhle eMpopoma. Ngiyathetha ngayimali udiza mina ngiseMpopoma ngisehle ukubhadala $70 eMpopoma. So that's where the problem is. Engikwesabelayo.
Remember, guys, that this episode is proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Also,
energy.
if you never do penny energy,
but Praxol will always be there as a reserve
energy. Praxol for bringing and sponsoring this episode. In continuing, gents, issue oyikhulumayo ingabe ingabalansanga.
Ayikho balance vele.
Ayikho balance. Ayikho ngapha.
At the end of the day, we don't have the actual facts why ezinye izikolo singaziboni. You understand? But
the fact is that kunokana o-selector was alone. It means that everything is questionable.
The problem ukuthi i-transparency ayikho. Ngaso ngathi umbe ama-bedroom issues. Why list kuyinto ethi nation yabo ngaso ngathi asali maybe irusunguko iyabulala kumbe le
combination ilabantwana balazi
kumbe i-assembly squad sabo on previous tournaments. Mina but into ade ngikhalela yona le ukuthi nge-economic situation le sizaswela abantu abazasirepresenta at national level because bona laba abalemali bazadlala ibhora time passing. But as time goes on, sebesiyarun ama-family business, sebepursuer into zani.
That's my point.
But into ekhona, I have seen even kusiba the clash between i-real stars lo mama kaSetwetwa ukuthi umntwana ifemu le izamphambanisa entweni zesikolo. But those boys are talented. But answers maybe njani.
And you are under 15.
Yeah, under 15. Asibazi amabizo abanye asiwazi amabhethi. But maybe bakhona labo they were also selected khona.
Wrapping up this issue, we see nxa ulolwazi usifakele ku comment section and we'll do a thorough research.
We'll get back to you bantu with the proper information.
Yes. Sithola ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakala because it's not a true reflection of izikolo ezilabantwana abalazi ibhora. At the end abantu abaningi batsho njalo. We've got also another issue eyenzakele over the weekend. Ntensiya ngeke mfonela uMasudu. Nsiya checka i-Division 1 Southern Region ethunga uthi akula Premier Soccer League this week. Let's go and cover i-Southern Region. Asambe i-fixture iphumile ithi ama games ase White City. Let's go White City. Masifike White City. Abantu bagijima mdala athletics. Awula bhora abantu abagijimayo. Proper. What's happening? Mana ngifone phone ngizwe. Ngizothola ama game ase shift wase seluvivi. And abantu abaningi bephenduka abantu abaningi bazondela mfutshela on this issue. Abantu ngathi ngifone uMasudu wathi ifikile la White City. Safica ura bhora.
Ngizwe likhuluma ngakho lapha nike.
I-disorder babalana laba kwazi kwabona kulabantu abangakho serious ngebhora. Why benga asiyali kwamele behambe kube lamanye abaku ground behambe bonke eWhite City current kulani. Manje kulokuthi remember wathi umfonela thina sithi sa driver so ku6 siyabuka igame. Masifika ngale ama 2-3 sithole abantu bazigijimela. Hawu kathi ukuhamba njani? Asingeke drive futhi siyeluve thina.
I think into yona lehlala sikhuluma ngayo i-communication.
True.
It's the very same thing eyenzakala ku PSL. Sesiyibona ukuthi andiyabona into endla ngikhoma ngayo.
Abantu support nina asesendleleni.
Ukuthi ukubola kuqaliselanga ekhanda. Ilokhu zenini i-Southern Region umama yo yikuyini i-PSL so utshengisa ukuthi
Izifa.
sebekumunyenga umama we failure to communicate let's hope ukuthi i-mistake enjalo won't happen
Will never happen
again
again, true.
because ama-supporters khathesi ngemtshova le edurayo lani
Usufikile
ukuthi
lapha
umuntu
efuel.
eqalise futhi ukuthi ebudgete $2 sokusiba yi$4 sokusiba yenye expense but khathesi mina so far i-crowd adi attenda ama-games la ka-D1 ibi-right but ngezinto ezinje sagcina sesiswela futhi ama-supporters so kusenziwa ikhonokho i-failure to communicate
So isicelo bengilaso ku Chris Mtungwazi le team yakani communications. Utilize those Facebook pages, those WhatsApp
Yes.
channels. Makusese masinya if ever the ama changes. Kusho kufaka ukuthi the games have been moved to Luveve Stadium.
Yeah, so, sometimes kunapo futhi i-problem may not solely goes to iZifa Southern Region Board. It may go straight to Ilokuzeni, to the team. Because now we book stadium on a certain date, you are told to stadium lesibook you. Siyakwanisa ukunika stadium esinje.
No, but any fixture ebikhishwe yi-Southern Region.
Southern Region.
Exactly.
So i-communication
Mina belithe i-home ground yeni kuyini
Iyo ground obviously affiliate ama-stadiums angu-2 and futhi i-stadium awusibhukhi before awusibhukhi sokusele one day usibhukha in time.
Yes,
So
but
they were
my-
supposed to say communicate.
I hear you. My worry is there was no official communications anywhere.
From both sides.
I understand from anywhere. Would know
Even the city council
games
level.
have been moved to Luveve. You understand? At least if ever the communication was easy. Which is check even on Facebook channel or in my team. One of the importance now of media, even in my team. And one issue on our teams, the media, which is reliable, which will continuously update the followers of the beautiful game would know. So when Zagale development end, a game fixed a white seat is now being moved to Ilu. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, yiko lapho ngikutsho ukuthi yabona okusho ngisavele communication yakhona yasiyadawa there and there. Why? Yabona
Even
kube
amanye ama-team
even ngo9 anjho sebekwazi ukhethe akusela lokho zeni. Ungibona ngani into lani ungayifaka before image iqala kwakuthiwe ngo1
12.
ngo12
after
anjho. Unifake ngo10 umbe ngo9 uthi hayi sorry ufake nje ku WhatsApp anjho. Mina mangabona ukuthi hayi ngiyavula iFacebook mina ngiyavula ngambona kuthiwa ama-match semovile ukubona kwami senzela abantu abafika 50 amadoda into sezithintshile sokubukelwa ngathi just communication just nge10 minutes lawo you can change something.
But one thing engiyithabelayo mina even though ama-venues atshintsha kwaba accepted kwabhowa ama-fans those features managed to go on
And
zabona
continue.
even ama-results angikhona they were good akuzange kwaba le game enjani ephambanisekileyo
it shows ukuthi communication was made to the teams. This is what I'm saying.
Yeah,
It shows ukuthi communication was made to the teams.
teams.
Maybe on Friday.
Then
Then man othemele ethathe
ama-fans asaqakathekisa njengama-stakeholders
which is wrong. This is what I'm saying. Ukuthi when i-PSL iZifa Southern Region communicate lana as a team labo they now know ukuthi why City is not available on Saturday and Sunday. What they should have done is, guys, let's communicate.
They should embrace social media
You understand?
as a tool of
Let's put
communication.
a poster as Zifa Southern Region. Our games have been moved to Luveve. We have done no harm. Our team, as Buto is saying, also, whichever team that was fixtured, because we forget Bugera team is a evaluation. I'm happy. Uguti abantu abanjabo dalu. They are now at the helms of my teams that wanted to go and watch the revolution. Ubusu City no comes probably post on our WhatsApp and WhatsApp channel, Facebook, whatever social media platform that we have. That one is very is automatic. Kumele kube njalo. You update fans. No, igame lana uthi sidlale white seat.
The owners of the game.
You understand? Asayidlale white seat. Isiseluvive. There was no such thing that happened. Yeah, that's my word. But anyway, the games, as we are saying, the games played. I saw an interesting fixture. the teams that we say they're very serious. This is which is Nkai, Talent Vision, offer the Wangi. But unfortunately, iwangu kanye tusitshedile that side with hayi ngani kunzima idroyele because iwangi bekunzima ukuthi udroye Colliery ibibhula hayi ibibhula idroyele bula Warriors 1-1 then i-television idli iBoso 90 1-0 then inkayi idli isenzo 1-0 ama game la amaningi they were played at eLuveve Stadium.
Yeah, Black Rock is taking people by surprise. See with even last season.
Ekamthulisi la.
Ingekamthulisi. Yeah, performance yana but they lost the momentum. We don't know what happened. Maybe they've sorted their issues now with my issues. Katesa everyone indlela abayenza ngayo Black Rock akula muntu ade ukhanyele.
If you check i-log standing zayinokumenza ifake lapha Black Rock currently is leading 2-2 100%, but I'm happy ama team that yes pinpoint ukuthi they will perform
TV.
They are showing serious. Also Eastern region also like
before going in Eastern region. I was happy that day ukuthi Mbone iZimbabwe Saints isiphendukile one of the pioneers when you speak about
Zimbabwean
football Uchauya Chikwata.
Yes, chaputi chinopipisa bora pass.
This time is back for good to know ukuthi bapinda bebuyele futhi lapho.
I understand umthulisi khona ngale.
Yeah, umthulisi uBeef.
So head coach is Beef.
Head coach is Beef, then I think umthulisi labanye bakhona kulo.
So it's how the region is about interesting.
Umbuzo Panda is now the manager of Zimbabwe Saints. Okutshengisa ukuthi labo ngabantu sibili
aba serious.
But umuntu o investe ku Zimbabwe Saints revival udinge sibili abantu bani bebhora ukuthi awungeke uthi uthathe ibrand name enjana uthi uzafuna ukuyibisela
ku Premier League
hayi not ku Premier League ukuthi ibuyele ebhuqwini oluwe selodlula i-D1 phela kunzima usebhuqwini ngayo ubona these days nabe Black Chiefs ingathi siyacwebezela so asahamba ukufika boost.
Thank you for that information Savage. Eastern regions zaphonga ukuthatha one result ye team yami engiyithanda. I'm very biased nge team le nxa ubungazi Deportivo la Murambinda ispe iDeportivo alambulala nje ya iDeportivo la Murambinda idle Destiny Stars 3-0 amanye ama results umenza uzawafaka lapha. What else do you have esesikuchile
as for
because you know
the match hyped lokho zenini Katsande how did he perform first game yakhe
uKatsande uRangers ani let me check kuma results athi bakulokho zendawo
abakho ku Northern
Northern iqalisile iqalisile this week and Northern I think iqalisa this week I think Northern iqalisa this week Northern le Central Northern le Central I think it's iqalisa this week. What else have we left out?
My results at PSL this prediction it.
Oh yes kanti uthe ibizo belinikiwe
singakafiki khona hapo everyone was asking ukuthi kathi vele kahle ucoach uyaqaliswa ukuganyulwa
so kambe to what
sesikhala isigumunga ya
PSL so kambe to o triangle
lo agama shiftile technical director left the position coming in uJongwe as head coach then Umate assistant
Uchitembo
going to triangle. Yeah,
I think engaxotsha next iManika Manika the ngezinye
iDiamond lakwanisa ukuyikama inkukhu ubona
next fixtures. So let's look at the fixtures
it's lucky time now.
Before we look at the fixtures, how many minutes do we have before we wrap up the show? Because asifuna uba mude kakhulu. Okay, thanks. We've got enough time to cover. Has been sitting ngicela namabizo mina nti bemfakela ami ukuthi Lucky Bets proper ile ama prediction awethu abuya nxa si-predictor for hlesi Lucky Bets wena odula icabanga sikusho lawe ngiqalise ngawo ulalela kho licabangile Lucky Bets
Mana abanye beqambe maybe iyabuya along the
ungayenzi copy and paste
sefuna ukudraw
sefuna ukudraw ebutho ngicela lakho
The prediction time.
Lucky Bets prediction time
hayi wothu right usithi lucky time
Yikho lucky time phela.
lucky time
ngekabutho
sometimes ama predictions ethu ungathatha serious lucky bets also offers betting
PSA
ye-PSL eZimbabwe amanye ama-predictions ethu usungathatha lawe uyezama ngedola yakho uzwinele something everyone is a winner but if you don't try
You don't win.
you don't
and
win.
remember you have to be 18 years and ungabhethi ngemali yesichebo into lokwenza hlala
le mali esidumbu omunye wabhetha imali esidumbu kumele isidumbu asimelile ngayo wabhetha imali esidumbu
please betha ngemali extra oyabe
Yes.
lo teacher lwana attend court kusasa iyangena kusasa lo twa udla imali lokuzeni
Lingazibopheli into ezingelancedo makhiwa.
Let's bet wise
responsibly
with lucky bet
Only-
we bet responsibly.
Use the money you can afford to lose. That's the easiest way I can
nxa ule
say.
extra dollar
If you can afford to lose even
faka
$100,
iyavuma
use it.
Lucky Bets iyavuma i-Cocash iyavuma i-Omar
Iyavuma i-Inbucks.
iyavuma i-Inbucks use the extra money that you have to pay and you have to be 18 years and above
Simeni
But the good thing about the good thing
return
about the lucky bets ukuthi it's for winners.
and ungaregister namuhla uregister khathesi iyakunika ama-free bets nxa ulabana bama-framachina uzothi khona bama-framachina iyakunika 80 flights mahara uzizamele lakhe ngotshela ka-8 uphaphisa into ekho wehle ukuthola ngingaqedi isikhathi kamenzi so let's get into
So
ibizo
mina it's the
Lucky-
lucky bets.
lucky time
lucky bet lucky time I second that.
hayi laba seyadliwa ivoti nje unelalela yakho eliseceleni because lami senithanda lela abalikhulumayo
lucky bet
lucky base lucky time so let's get into the lucky base
It's like-
nxa ufuna silitshintshe next week sicela usibhalele usitshele ukuthi
Suggestion,
isegment le
yeah.
sithi yiphi so the fixtures abuya
Thursday.
mhla nge-Easter lokhuzeni so mhla ka-2 and mhla ka-3 mana ngiwathi khabara fast sidlule ku-segment le ngizama ukuthi unga-check-e masinya bengidawo nanka la
For a start vele lathi khathesi we are going to reclaim our lost glory ngokuchaya isimba bhora.
so mhla ka-2 Thursday the games are supposed going to be played mhla ka-2 and mhla ka-3 kule one so nge-Thursday mhla ka-2 FC Hunters take on iKariba eHart Stadium prediction lucky bets
FC
bets
Hunters.
lucky time yeah Hunters is taking on Kariba eHart Stadium
draw for straight draw
This time around winile kuzeni Hunters.
0-0.
I think Hunters is taking this one 1-0 Triangle versus Agama eKibo
1-0 in favor of Triangle.
New coach trying win.
another straight draw
I think Chitembo is taking this one.
Yeah.
New coach is winning. Hard Rock versus the Rentals Chawanda.
hard rock
1-1.
Oh yeah, it's your opinion.
hard rock
Upenza is going to surprise abantu.
1-1.
2-1 in favor of Renters.
I see the pastor taking this one.
I'm hard rock 2-0
Yeah, also I see the
Renters
pastor.
ilokumthwesa nzima ukhaya
Then Ingezi is taking on the inform Makepe Cabs United.
Ningenye i-0-0 draw there.
Epaupab.
0-0 draw there.
or scoreline draw mina I think it's a scoreline draw
We win in favor of Cape United 1-0 Chirinda to score.
Ingezi bayazi ngabochomu laba abengezi asebedlala ku Caps. I also give it to
Thina
Ngezi.
esike sadlala nabo siyayazi ngezinto.
I think I'll also give it to Ngezi. Then Bulawayo Chiefs is taking on Simba Bora.
Lapha ngiza bias support i-Chiefs 2-0.
Mina ngikhuluma kudala kodwa mina ukuthi Chiefs is going to take
Chiefs
this
Simba
one.
Bora.
Simba nje idraw lalabana so hayi Simba singawina 1-0
It read about draw.
I'll give it to I'll give it to Isimba Bora. Ngiyabazolulu lo mabhena nxa be-behave they want a proof to they've got a point to prove. Then we've got Manika Diamonds chicken in a green fuel.
Hey, look at for 3-0. Hey.
Manika Diamonds yavukela uchicken in.
Guys.
Chicken.
Even 1-0, because the chicken in Manika Diamonds is going to take chicken in by surprise. The Baz will revive a petty career because there's a job on the line in Apa.
Chicken in win by 2-0.
Chicken in win also. Then Dynamo Moz Erufaro. A tricky encounter this one.
Then I drove with 1-1.
Win in favor of Moz.
Draw 1-1 or 2-2.
I think Dynamo is this one is a draw. This one is a draw. Last game Friday, 3 April, the big one, Islanders FC Platinum. This one let's the draw. Le lucky pesa mboni beyifa.
Abayivuma kuma-pets. Ayayendayiseko kuma-pets yakwazi.
Yeah, win.
Ibingekho
I
vele.
lucky pets bazayifaka.
Islanders, yeah.
Register with lucky pets uzabona. So I think on those predictions guys as angeke ngithi
Platinum win against Adinda.
angeke ngithi last words.
Ikona.
This one let's I've declared it a draw.
Last wait ukuthi khona
And
tune in kulokuze ukuthi 3K TV channel 2
Sabe sile 5 points.
channel
Friday.
293 and see another special update for hours there.
Friday 5 points.
So guys, on that note, we would like to thank our partners, our sponsors. We've got siyabonga kuhle kakhulu ukubona abantu besixhasa bazafaka amajita laphana for continued support. Ngikhulume ngamanzi lawa antabona ikungaqedanga abamanzi ngiyaprofessor abamanzi laba besixhase.
Not forgetting Die Hard sponsor yethu okuhle design.
Yes, mbuya khona apho. And wrapping up, so we'd like to thank Praxol
3K TV.
Praxol for mfumsebenzisa amabala proper iskini. We'd like to thank Praxol for powering this episode. So Lucky Bates for sponsoring this episode. Okuhle Design.
All weather friend.
Okuhle Design ngathi is powered by, sponsored by,
Designed by.
so I'll find
Energized by.
yeah, it's another one. I'll try and find amanya mabala for amanya sponsors that will come through. We've got Sports Zone. Our
Equipped by.
friends of equipped by Friend Zone, Sports Zone, our friends of the show. We've got Oguhle Designs also from our day one friends. I think on that note, guys, we can safely say we've done justice to this episode. Until next time.